whoever, the entire government is basically an agent of the principle that is the people of the country. And this principle, they exercise their choice through the process of voting, a democratic process, an institutional mechanism that is presented and that has been adopted by them to select these people who would fulfill their aspirations. This is the deconstruction I am doing of democracy from a lens of political science and economics. Having done so, I would now come to a point where I would like to deconstruct opposition as well. In a democracy, of course, we have heard about this. Dissent is a part of democracy. Dissent and democracy go together. We cannot have democracy without proper dissent. Dissent is a safety valve. We have to do all this. These are cliched kind of stuff which we have heard about, we have talked about, and we all know about. We celebrate that. We know this. But I am going to present a picture in which I say that opposition doesn't really necessarily come from opposition parties. Sources of opposition are far too many in a democracy. And that is the beauty of democracy. Democracy offers choices to people to exercise their vote. That is just one aspect. Democracy also offers people choice to do many other things, exercise their voice through many other means, through civil society organizations, through non-governmental organizations, through students groups, through political parties, through mass media, through several other ways. Political parties also have a role to play, but that's not all that democracy is about. So a successful democracy, deepening of democracy, requires opposition to come not just from political opposition parties, but also from other sources. And when that thrives, then deepening of democracy takes place. Now these sources of opposition, they have played a constructive role. If you look at the Jan Lokpal Bill, it's a creation of civil society. It started with civil society. If you look at some of the revelations of scams that have taken place in this country,